Go.
Hello everyone, my name is Adai Majimoyo, and this is my presentation on 10 proofs that prove that ancient people from Kemet were black.
How do you prove it?
Okay, the first slide. Presentation topic. This presentation talks about 10 arguments that prove that people from Kemet were black. Sheikh Jacques was a scholar that did lots of work to prove people from Kemet were black. He helped discover these methods. And here's a picture of Sheikh Jacques. 1. Physical anthropological evidence. Most of the mummies found in tombs have similar features to black people today, like the shape of the skull. Yeah, another example is the bones. They have a similar skeleton. And this is an example. 2. Melanin dosage test. The melanin dosage test is something Sheikh Jacques used in order to tell the amount of melanin in the skin. Melanin is a chemical that makes pigment, so that can make you tell like what pigment is, like the color that could make color in the skin. Like 3. Osteological evidence. The shape of the jaw and the length of the bones is similar to that of African people today. Something called the Leppius canon was used, and it described the Kemetic people as Negroid or black. One example of differences is the Negroid-looking skulls have a bigger nose hole and eye holes. And here's an example of the three main types of skulls. These are used to help classify like what race a person was from. As you can see over here, there's Negroid, and it has wider nose holes and eye holes than those other two. Evidence from blood type. The blood type of ancient Kemetic people matched that of West African people. The blood type of most people from Egypt is A. So down here, I have a picture. The red part in the middle is the blood cells. The parts on the edges, like purple and like there's purple and orange and green, those are the connectors to the white blood cells. So O, A, B, and AB determine how they connect to the white blood cells. O doesn't connect to white blood cells at all. 5. Kemetic people as we saw ourselves. Most of the pictures on the wall showed us as black people, like next to hieroglyphics in tombs. And this is an example. Those look black, right? 6. Similarities in culture with the rest of Africa. Kemetic people had similar culture to people in places like Nubia and Ethiopia. For example, there were similar deities. 7. Divine epithet. Divine epithet talks about the main characteristics of people. This sort of classification applies to everything from the perspective of Kemetic people. Kemetic people thought black meant good and red meant evil. In Christian culture, white is good and black is evil. 8. Language similarities. Coptic from Kemet and Wolof from Senegal have similar words. So you can compare these. Let's see an example. NWT over here and MWT over here, though they didn't have different meanings, they are the same way they sound. And HPY, I suppose that means happy, and hep. As you see, happy and hep, those are similar. So, thank you for this presentation. I hope you enjoyed.